stay weak and broke. The harsh truth no one tells you. In 1994, a 30 years old man staring at his computer screen, his life was already set, a stable job, a good salary, and a comfortable routine. But deep inside, he knew if he stayed in this comfort, he would never be great. So he made a risky decision to leave everything behind and go all in on a crazy idea. That man's name, Jeff Bezos. Within 3 years, his tiny setup Amazon became a $1 billion empire. Today he is one of the richest men alive. But imagine if he had started comfortable, he would be just another guy with a desk job. And that's the brutal reality. Most men today will die weak, broke and forgotten. Not because they were not smart enough, not because they were not motivated enough, not even because they were lazy. No, it's because something far more dangerous. A silent killer that destroys millions of men before they even realize it. And unless you wake up now, it will destroy you too. The silent killer what keep you weak and broke. Now think about it. Why do some men born into poverty rise to top while others born into privilege fail? Why do some men build empires from nothing while others live paycheck to paycheck their entire lives? It's not just mindset, intelligence or discipline. It's something deeper. A disease that keeps you weak, broke and powerless. This disease has only one name: comfort. It is the silent killer of man. How comfort destroys you. Let me prove it to you. Have you ever noticed you know what you need to do but you don't do it? You start something but you never finish. You waste hours on distractions but struggle to focus for 10 minutes. You feel stuck while others watching succeed. It's not a coincidence. It's by design. We live in a world that feeds you cheap dopamine, easy entertainment and fake rewards, so you never seek real power. Most men will live their whole lives in this trap. They will work jobs they hate, obey orders and die without ever tasting real freedom. But the men who escape, they understand one thing that 99% of others will never. The escape plan, the only way to break free. The only way to break free from this trap is to reject comfort and master one thing: specific knowledge. Now what is exactly specific knowledge? It's the rare high valuable skill set that makes you irreplaceable. Let me show you how it works with real life examples. The kid who became millionaire before 21 in 2015, an 18 years old kid from Miami, was just like every other teenagers. Average grade, no special talent, no big connections, but he noticed something. People were obsessed with fitness influencers. He did not have money for a gym, but he had something else: a phone. So he started filming workout in his backyard. No fancy equipments, no professional setup, just real raw content. Within 2 years, his YouTube channel blew up. By 21, he launched a fitness brand. Today, that kid David Lloyd is a millionaire with the company making millions a year. No college degree, no cooperative job, no lucky breaks, just specific knowledge. The man who built a 20 billion empire. In 1997, a broke immigrant arrived in US with nothing. No fancy degree, no wealthy family, no safety net, but he noticed something. The internet was the future. While most people were wasting time, he was studying how to build websites. Fast forward a few years, that immigrant Elon Musk built PayPal, sold it for 1.5 billion. Then he built Tesla, then SpaceX. Today he is the richest man on planet. Why? Because he mastered the specific knowledge. How you can acquire specific knowledge? Now you might be thinking, how can I apply this? Step 1. Find a high value problem. What do people struggle with? What do they pay money for? What industries are booming? Step 2. Build unique expertise. Forget traditional education. Learn from real world experience, online courses and deep research. Step 3. Keep going when others quit. Most people give up when it gets hard, but those who push through become unstoppable. The final challenge: what will you choose? Most men will ignore this video. They'll keep scrolling, keep wasting time, keep making excuses. But a few will wake up. A few will see through the illusion and start taking action. They will reject comfort, master specific knowledge, and build something real. The question is, which one are you? Are you the 90% who stay weak and broke, or the 1% who take control of their destiny? The choice is yours.
You're welcome,
For
I
what?
guess. Because I'm your nuclear deterrent. It's working. We're safe. America is secure. You want my property? You can't have it. But I did you a big favor.